Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are good, safe and sound. Now we have started with the revision of the chapter number 4, that is the emerging technologies. And we have finished with the models of cloud computing. Okay. Emerging technologies. Now we'll begin with the 5G, revision on 5G. This we have already finished students in our main chapter. Now today is the revision 5G. What is 5G? 5G students, it is the 5th generation of cellular network technology. You have to remember that 5G is the 5th generation of cellular network technology. Network technology. Okay. And in this we have studied student that it is the next generation of wireless technology communication. Okay. It is the 5th generation of wireless technology communication. Now, here in this students we have studied that it is expected to provide internal connections that are multiple times faster than the GGLTE. Okay students, that it is the long-term evaluation. It is a long-term evaluation. Okay, and it is much more faster than as compared to other generations. Now, further we have studied student that 5G may use a variety of spectrum bands. Okay, bands, spectrum bands, you might have studied students in your physics, spectrum bands. Okay, and you might have done the practicals as well. So it includes, we can say, the millimeter wave radio spectrum, okay, which carry very large amount of data at a short distance. Okay, it has what? Radio spectrum, okay, which can carry large amount of data as a short distance. Okay, and it includes the millimeter wave. What it includes? The millimeter wave. Students, we have finished all these. Okay, I'm just taking a revision, so that's why I'm not going in depth. Okay, just overview of your chapter. And one more thing students, you have to remember that you have to practice on OLE. You have already activated on that, so please just have a practice of that. At least take exams so that you can understand question and answer your objectives in a much better way. So keep practicing on it, as you know that practice makes men better. Okay, so at least you have the option of IT available, okay, to take a revision multiple times of your exams as well. So please, and if you have any doubt, just let us know that you are having or you are not able to access. So you have the contact number also of that OLE team on your website, so contact them directly. Okay, if you are facing any problem. Okay, so on olelearn.com, just try to have it and have the practice of every chapter of your IT. Okay, now, so here we have studied that students 5G may use a variety of spectrum bands, including millimeter wave, radio spectrum, which carries very large amount of data at a short distance. But the drawback is what, students? Here one drawback is also that drawback of the higher frequencies is that they are more easily obstructed by the walls of buildings, trees, and other, we can say, the barriers, and even changes in the weather. Okay, so here you can say that it has a drawback also, students. The drawback. What? Drawback is what, students? Drawback is what? That the higher frequencies is more easily obstructed by the walls of buildings. Okay, so you have to remember that frequencies obstructed more easily. Okay, even with the walls of the buildings, trees, and other barriers. Okay, and even changes in the weather can obstruct the frequencies of the 5G, as they have very high frequencies. Okay, students, so higher frequencies are easily prone to obstruction. Okay, now the new 5G networks will be able to transmit very large amount of data, but only a few blocks at a time. Okay, students, so you have to remember that it creates a blocks of data. Okay, it has a blocks of data which is transmitted, we can say, which is transferred to the different destination at a very short time and with only few blocks. Okay, so 5G networks are digital cellular networks in which the service area covered by providers is divided into small geographical walls called cells. Okay, students, so as we know that it has very high frequencies which is easily obstructed. That's why what the new 5G networks will be able to transmit very large amount of data, but only a few blocks, okay, at a time. Okay, at a time, few blocks at a time. Why few blocks at a time? Because, students, it has to cover a large service area, okay, which is covered by the providers, is divided into small geographical areas called cell. Okay, all the areas, okay, all the service area which has to be covered, okay, they are divided into small, the areas, service areas, we can say. Service areas. They are divided into small geographical areas. Okay, and these areas are called as what, students? They are called as cells. Okay, students, so you have to remember this, that though it is having a very high frequency which is obstructed more easily, so that's why the new generation 5G will transmit blocks of data, few blocks of data at a time. Okay, why? Because the service areas, okay, where the data has to be transmitted, they are divided into small geographical areas. Okay, and those small geographical areas are called as what? They are called as cells. Okay. Okay, so here is what the definition, or we can say the little bit elaboration of 5G. Okay, now 5G can support up to 1 million of devices per square kilometer. Okay, students, as compared to 4G. It can support 5G supports millions of devices. Per square kilometer. Okay, students, as compared to 4G, because 4G is not at all able to support millions of devices. Okay, so for that reason, it's a drawback for the 4G. Okay, now the 5G towers are significantly smaller in size. Okay, like the size of a mini fridge. So just imagine, students, the towers are so small. Okay, so that's why, and we can say the application, the tower, okay, therefore can be put at variety of locations. Okay, because the towers of 5G are very small in size. We can say the size of a mini fridge. Okay, so that's why, therefore it is very easy to can be put, and it can be put at variety of locations. Okay, the benefit is here is what, students? It has improved speed. Okay, we can get improved speed, the benefit. And what, students? We can expect the speed from 500 to 1500 Mbps. 500 to 1500 Mbps, megabits per second. Okay, whereas in 4G, students, the speed was in 4G. In 4G, which we are using, student, the speed is about 20 Mbps. Just imagine, just see the difference. Okay, in the speed of 5G and 4G. Okay, such a huge difference. So that's why, students, 5G, the 5th generation, is more advanced as compared to your 4G or other generations, the earlier generations. Okay, now in this, movies can be downloaded from Netflix in seconds. Okay, because of this speed, because of these improved speed, students, when the movies can be downloaded in seconds. Okay, just imagine. Okay, and from your favorite, we can say the Netflix. Netflix is having so many movies and web series. Okay, so you can just download it within seconds. Okay, so here we can say the 5G is more advanced, more faster. That means the speed. Okay, and more, we can say, the less time consuming when it comes for downloading different movies or series. Okay, and so on. And it transmits data at a short distance with very high frequencies. And the drawback is what, these high frequencies can be obstructed even by the walls of the buildings. Okay, students, so this is the things about the 5G. Now 5G has the applications, students, applications of 5G. Even this we have studied. Applications of 5G. What are the applications of 5G, students? The very first which we have studied is the online 5G games. Then next is your automated vehicles. The third one is your virtual classroom. This all we have studied, students. So go through the lecture okay, earlier lectures as well. Okay, now you have the very good option that if you don't understand things at very first, or at, we can say, in the first lecture, you can just rewind it, okay, go back to previous lectures, and you can just have a repeat watching of your lectures. Okay, students, so repetition of the lectures while watching, you can just learn in a very quick way. Okay, you will understand, you will have the clear means the concepts will be clear for you. Okay, and you have a good option that you don't have to worry about that. Okay, if you have not understood this, so again, just go back and just have the lecture of the same topic again and again, and inshallah you will understand it. Okay, so applications of 5G, online 5G games, automated vehicles, virtual classroom. These are the few applications this we have studied. Inshallah, I'll elaborate it in the next lecture. Okay, and soon as this is a theory lecture, so I cannot show you any practical, because I know practical chapters are very much, we can say, the interesting to learn as compared to theory lectures. But even this theory chapter is very much interesting because it is related to the technology, the new technologies. Okay, and the technologies are very beneficial for even in today's era and even in the future. Okay, so just have a clear understanding of each and every term of the technology. Okay, so inshallah we'll just see in the next lecture the applications and the benefits, and we can say the different features of the 5G, that is the 5th generation. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.